Hey everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen, where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this easy step-by-step guide on how to prepare your saltfish for cooking. I have my saltfish here, to be more specific, bone in, skin on. So the first step is to remove the skin. And to do this, I'm going to lift from the corner here. And start peeling. If you're having a bit of issues gripping the skin, you can always use your knife and nick the corner like so, and then peel that back. For thinner pieces like this, if you're having some problems getting the skin off, carefully use your knife to grip the flesh here, or you can use a fork to be more safe, and peel the skin off like so. If you still have pieces of skin that's left on your saltfish after removing most of it, that's totally fine. It will come off easily once we cook it. Once the skin has been removed, rinse off all the excess salt under running water, and then place your fish into a pot of water. I typically go for the largest pot in my kitchen. This is a 5-liter or 5-quart pot. You don't necessarily need such a large pot. As I said before, I typically use the largest pot in my kitchen, and this happens to be it. Also, you don't have to wait until the water is boiling. Now the burner is on under my pot. What I'm going to do is to cover my pot, making sure that I keep a close eye on it, and as soon as it starts boiling, I'm going to remove the lid. So now that my pot has started boiling, I've removed the lid and I'm going to allow it to boil for 15 minutes. After boiling for 15 minutes, remove and add to a clean bowl. Add some cool water. After your saltfish has cooled, you can now go ahead and remove any of the excess skin that you weren't able to get before cooking it. So now I'm going to shred and debone at the same time. Now obviously, if you're doing boneless, skinless saltfish, the preparation process would still be the same, but you wouldn't have the bones or the skin to remove. And you can shred or flake your saltfish to the size that you prefer. Now after shredding, I'm going to give this a quick rinse in order to remove any of the excess salt that was trapped in between and that could not be removed during the cooking process. After rinsing, you can give it a quick taste to ensure that it's still not too salty for you. If this is the case, you can either 1, rinse it once more, or 2, boil it for another 5 minutes. Bearing in mind though that you still want some of the salt to remain, the goal here is for your saltfish to be salted, not salty. This is perfect for me, so I'm going to set this aside for my upcoming recipe, which you can find linked at the top of the screen as well as in the description box below. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to prepare your saltfish right here in JUENFO Kitchen. Hope you found the video to be helpful. Please like, share and subscribe if you have not yet done so, and join the movement to reaching 1,000 subscribers. I'd really appreciate the support. Tag me on Instagram at JUENFO_ if you give any of my recipes a try, and follow me as well. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.